Hello friends, welcome to our second video of SQL. This video is related to MySQL function. MySQL function, those function which predefined command set that perform some operation and returns a single value. In MySQL function there are various type of functions such as char, concat, lowercase, uppercase, substring, trim, ltrim, rtrim, length, left, right, mid. Char returns a character passed for each integer passed. For example, select char 65, 67, 69. This returns the ASCII value of char, which is 65 for capital A, 67 for capital C, and 69 for capital E. Concatenate return the concatenated string. If two strings are disjoint and if we want to join them, then we use concatenate function. For example, select concatenate name aggregate as name marks from student. This, for example, name is a class and marks were 85. Then it returns as string as name marks a class 85. Now the third one is lower case or L case. We can use write any type of lowercase or L case. It returns the argument in lower case. For example, select lower Mr. Obama as L name. It will give as output L name in small letter Mr. Obama. Now similarly there is upper or U case. Upper or U case. It returns the argument in uppercase. For example, select lower upper Mr. Obama. It will give as name U name Mr. Obama. Now the fifth one is substring. It returns the substring specified from, for example, there is a query select sub str from ABCDEFIJ third, fourth. It returns the string from starting from third position to the fourth position, which is 1, 2, 3, 3 to 4, yani C, D. Now the fifth one is trim. It removes the space in the string. For example, select trim IMSEC. It removes these spaces and give output as IMSEC. Similarly, there is L trim and R trim. L trims remove left spaces and R trim remove right spaces. For example, this, then there will be output IMSEC, like this space is available, and R trim if used, then space available at this side, string concatenated from here. Now the length function. It returns the length of string. For example, select length as concat. It counts the string length and returns, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which will be 7. left, it returns the leftmost number of characters starting from here. For example, select left USS, this is and the number of character 2. So starting from here, US 2 characters. Similarly, there is right function which returns the character from the rightmost. For example, select right, same string, same characters. From here it will be start 1 2, give output 17. Mid, it returns the specified position from starting. Mid and substring function are same. From apple it will give 2 and 3, P, and from it same P and P. In the first part we studied about string function. Now we are going to study about numeric function. Mod, it returns the remainder of one expression dividing other. For example, select mod 11, 14. It will give output as 3. Power, it returns value of expression raised to other. For example, select power, it gives 3 to power 2, that is 9. Round, it returns rounded value. For example, select round 153.192 up to number of digits we want to round it. Here we want 1, it will give 1.3.1. If you want 2, then it will give 1.319. If we don't want any decimal digit, so we will give out similarly 1 point only. Sign, it returns the sign of value. For example, select sign -15. It is negative, so it will give negative. That is minus. SQRT, it returns the square root of non-negative number. For example, select SQRT 16. It will give output as 4. MySQL function, after string, numeric, now we are going to study about date and time function. Current date or current date, it returns the current date on your system. For example, select current date, it will returns system for if in your system date is 2017 09 29, it returns a 29 date. It returns the date part only. In current date it returns 2017 09 29 full. In date it returns the date part only. For example, select date 2017 09 29, time is 11/12/05. It will give output as 2017 09 29. Month, it returns the month of the queries. For example, select month 2017 09 29. It returns the output 09. Similarly, year, it returns a year. For example, select year 2000, it will return 2017. Now it returns the current date and time save as in your system. For example, select now, it returns 2017 09 29 blah blah, time 11:15 08. that is day of year. It returns the day of the year ranging from 1 to 366. For example, select day of year 2017 0217, February month, that is it returns 48. February 17, that is 48 date in 360 68 days. 48 days is going. Day of week, it returns a weekday index. For example, select day of week 2017 0929. It returns the index of week ranging from 1 to 0 to 53. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe the video, like, share.